Okay, so it's coming up for 2 o'clock and it's lunchtime. So this is a poor man's lunch, and we're going to start off by frying a few vegetables in olive oil, as always. And you guessed it, black pepper. So while that heats up, I'm going to tell you what we've got. We've got Frankfurters hot dogs. Now they come in a pack from Mercadona. You get 4 packs. For some reason they contain 7, but we're only going to use 1 pack. Got chopped onions, garlic, red pepper and mushrooms. Bit of sweet corn, noodles, soy sauce. Also we have, when I can find it, Chinese 5-spice. But I'm also going to use a mixture of my own. It's Chinese 5-spice ground up with my own ingredients, plus garlic powder, Lyndon 6-spice. First thing, onions are going in pan. And red pepper. And the mushrooms. Garlic's not going in yet, it'll burn. Now I know I've said in past, burnt garlic's nice, but not for this one. We're just going to give this a quick fry. I've already boiled the kettle, but that might have been 10 minutes ago, so I'll just put it on boil again. That's loud. Anyway, so this just needs to soften up. I'll fast forward this bit. The hot dogs, I'm going to briefly warm up in microwave. I'm not putting them in pan. It's better that way, for some reason. I'm not going to microwave them just yet. I'll do it before I'm about to make the noodles. Now I don't know if you can see, but it's frying nicely now. I'm going to put a bit of water in. Because next garlic's going in. Next is the Chinese 5-spice, which will flavour the veg. It smells good. Now I'm going to throw the rest of the water in. I know it seems like a lot of water for noodles, but I like a lot of liquid. Now, they are packet noodles, came with sachets. That looks like treacle, but it's not. Some kind of soup base. And also some sprinkles. Now at this point I'm going to throw in a touch of soy sauce. And my 6 spice blend. Next in go the noodles, broken up. Now that's not enough for 2 of us, but I do have some plain noodles that you can get from Mercadona called angel hair, and that's what it looks like. So all we're waiting for now is for the noodles to soften up. So I'll put the lid on. And while I'm tidying up, that should be okay. Microwave. So I'm going to give them 30 seconds. Would you like to pour the drinks, dear?
Yes.
I don't know if you can hear, I know it were only 30 seconds, but they sound like they're exploding. But they're not. They've just warmed through, and the noodle mix will do the rest. We're almost done. I'm going to throw the sweet corn in. That's not the sound of beer, it's actually orange juice for once. Just give it another 30 seconds. While we're waiting, what do you think I can do about my feet? I mean, if you look at that, sandal sunburn. And I know the obvious thing is to never wear sandals and just go barefoot, but you can't walk around barefoot in city. So any suggestions, please, comments below. Need soup label for this. So we can turn that off. It takes 7 hours to cool down. See, I wasn't lying. Orange juice. I know there's no vodka in it. So now I can just serve up. That did not sound good. Something outside. Bit of liquid for her. That's Helen's. And that, waste not, want not, it's mine. And that, folks, is your poor man's lunch. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you all on the next video. And we're just gonna go and sit on the balcony and eat lunch. Bye everyone.